I think we're just happy that we get a second chance to put the film out in theaters.
Yeah.
There were so many people who just kept writing to us that they haven't seen the film. When is it going to be on OTT? So for some reason OTT is delayed, but we are so happy that people are getting a second chance to see the film, and the whole love and the good feel is renewed, and just the feeling, it's amazing. It's amazing. Yes, it's amazing. I think at least I believe it's one of the best performances ever. It's the lifetime performance till now.
Yeah.
You're on a road right now with your projects being, leveled so well. In the midst of all of that, you're here to watch Goldfish. What do you have to say?
I am fan of दीप्ति मैम. मैंने दीप्ति मैम के साथ यारिया में काम किया है. कल्कि का मैं फ़ैन हूँ. अनुराग सर ने प्रोड्यूस किया है. The picture is so good. पुष्कर ने डायरेक्ट किया है. So while my two projects are doing really good on Jio Cinema and कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, मैंने सोचा why not let's take a break and see a wonderful film. So I'm here to watch Goldfish. And I'll let you know how it feels after watching Goldfish. मैंने वादा किया है कि मैं बताऊंगा सर को कैसी फिल्म लगी.
I've told him to tell me how the film is. He has to come and tell me how the film is.
Yeah, for sure I'll do this.
Please, I'll appreciate your feedback. I'd love to know how you like the film.
Congratulations once again for re-releasing.
Thank you.
I'll see you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Just a question on the casting of film and give a choice,
It's very difficult though. Deepthi ma'am is very higher, Kalki is also higher, but somewhere I would love to work with Deepthi ma'am again because last time मैंने जब play किया था तो मैंने उनकी बेटे को मार दिया था. तो I earn little hate. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे रिलेशन में बने मैम कुछ इस बार तो ज़्यादा इमोशंस जनरेट होंगे हमारे.
Maybe you can be her son.
I can be her son. I can be her son for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The entire action is on Goldfish today. Uday, please tell us, watching it, have you watched it?
So, like a lot of people, I'm sure, who missed out on watching it the last time, I'm just glad it's being re-released now. And for those who didn't get to watch Goldfish earlier, Pushan Kriplani has directed this. We have our dear friend Tapas Relia who's done the music. We have incredible actors like Kalki Kekla and Dipti Navalji acting in it. I think it's a great opportunity that good cinema gets re-released. Why not? I mean, the more the avenues, the more the viewers, the more the happiness. So wishing Goldfish, yes, all the very best.
All the very best. So apparently, the trend right now that's going to re-release of films, films that have already released on OTT or releasing back in the theaters, is a trend that is coming back. I think around the Indira Gandhi days or something.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
Those are the times when movies used to re-release because of their nostalgia, the nostalgia quotient, and audience used to love coming back and enjoying the film in the theaters. So I guess Goldfish has got the same kind of magnetism for it, which is why it's re-releasing in theaters, and there's so much of keen interest in the film. And besides, Dipti Naval and Kalki Kochan are great performers, so I'm sure the audience will have a great experience.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thanks guys. Thank you.
Industry, and it's doing extremely well. Very novel subject, great performers, great vibe of the film. What do you have to say at your association?
This is such a good time for a re-release of a meaningful film. इतना अच्छा लगता है कि इतने प्यार से बनी हुई फिल्म about a mother and daughter's relationship. I think सबके लाइफ में एक मोमेंट आएगा when the child lands up becoming a parent and the parent lands up being dependent on the child and in a way becomes a like a responsibility. So it was an exploration in this film whether the child will take up that responsibility or shy away from it, because सबके जवानी में अपने अपने पर्सनल रोल्स होते हैं, अपने गोल्स होते हैं कि मेरे को ये बनना है, ये करना है. तो अगर आपको कोई अब्रॉड अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगी तो क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स को ओल्ड एज होम में डाल दोगे, और अगर डाल दोगे तो क्या मतलब आपकी जिम्मेदारी ख़त्म हो जाती है, या फिर इज़ इट अ बैड थिंग टू पुट योर पेरेंट्स इन ओल्ड एज होम? सम पीपल डोंट हैव एन ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू डू दैट. तो मेरे लिए ये फिल्म इज़ वेरी यू नो मीनिंगफुल, एंड इतनी टैलेंटेड स्टार कास्ट लाइक कल्की एंड दीप्ति हैं. सो लास्ट टाइम व्हेन इट केम विद जवान, यू नो यू कांट कम्पीट विद अ ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म. बट क्या हमें ये फिल्में नहीं दिखानी चाहिए? मुझे लगा दिखानी चाहिए, एंड देयर वाज अ विंडो हियर. तो अब हम दोबारा लेके आ गए, अब हम दोबारा इस बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. अर्बन स्टोरी है, गांव में तो हम अपने माँ बाप को नहीं छोड़ते हैं, कल्चरली बहुत रूटेड है. बट बड़े सिटीज़ में ये हो रहा है कि चाइल्ड हैज़ टू आफ्टर अ सर्टन एज हैज़ टू मेक अ चॉइस कि मैं करूँ क्या. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन अ ब्रोकन फैमिली और अ सिंगल पेरेंट, सर्वाइविंग पेरेंट की आपको देखभाल करनी है. तो क्या आप प्लेन पकड़ते रहोगे, ट्रेन पकड़ते रहोगे, जॉब करते रहोगे, पैसे कमाते रहोगे, कि यू विल ऑल्सो टेक अ यू टर्न एंड से कि यार मेरी माँ भी है, मेरे पिताजी भी हैं, उनके लिए भी कुछ करना है. बट इट्स नॉट सम गिल्ट ट्रिप, इट्स नॉट सम ज्ञान, इट इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स टू दीज टू women in Goldfish that makes me extremely proud. It's crafted very well, it's directed well, it's got great music, it's got great performances. इतने सारे festivals करके आई है, इतने सारे countries में मतलब इतना अच्छा perform करके आई है. So I hope people enjoy it, they like it, they see it and they can associate with it.
Obviously, these subjects are very, very emotional subjects. What's the response been now since mixed feelings release and we see it's a full house today? What do you have to say about that?
We are very proud that it's a full house, and in some cities it has run, you know, with great success. Gives us reassurance to keep making films like that. Gives us, you know, the courage and confidence to continue making meaningful films, backed by great producers, great talent. So अच्छा लग रहा है. और बहुत सारी फिल्में आई हैं इस दौरान में which can be considered as a re-release. But a story is a story is a story, and if it can be told and retold and reshown, जैसे बोलते हैं कि OTT में फिल्म होती है, you have to discover it. आई थिंक सिनेमा हॉल में भी एक कम्युनिटी स्क्रीनिंग होती है जिसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है, मतलब देख करके लोगों के रिएक्शन देख करके. तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि 1 साल बाद दोबारा फिल्म आ रही है, एंड द रिएक्शन इज़ वेरी प्रेशियस फ्रॉम पीपल. इट्स पर्सनल. कितने लोग तो रो रहे थे, कितने लोगों को मतलब बहुत पर्सनल लगी बातें. तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. थैंक यू.
Look in this side, man.
Looking only, looking. How much will I look? ठीक है, very good. Please good. Bye. Yes.
We should start with that गोल गोल रोटियां ना. देखो मैं गोल गोल
हाँ मैं देखो मैं नहीं आज तो नहीं बना रही हूँ ना गोल गोल रोटी. मेरा डे ऑफ है, मैं काम पे हूँ.
Ready, rolling? Shaki, the re-release of Goldfish is so talked about, everybody is loving it. What do you have to say?
I'm very happy that our film is in the theatre again. It's quite a pleasure to have the same film in the theatre again, and I'm really, really happy that those who didn't get to see it last time get to see it now.
Your chemistry with Impeach John said, how was the whole experience? 2 fine actors together, and the end result, of course, we talked about. What do you have to say?
Deepti ji is a wonderful actor, as everybody already knows. What I love most about her is her spontaneity. She's somebody who doesn't like to rehearse too much, but when the camera is on and you know we start the take, she just lights up and does something new every time. So it surprises me and I react to her acting. So it gets the best out of both of us. गोल गोल रोटियाँ, हाँ वो सच है कि मेरी एक्चुअली रोटी इतना गोल गोल नहीं आता है. और hopefully one day I will master that as I'm mastering the acting.
दीप्ति जी आ गई.
क्या चाहिए आपको? फोटो?
Hold. Nice. Hold. Look, man. Look. Straight. Sir, आपके left में. Wait.
How we always have this like matching opposite things. It's great. I love it. It's perfect for the characters.
Look at ma'am.
So,
Look here. Left side, ma'am. Center, look, please. Ma'am, look. Left side.
One picture together, come.
You want me to go there?
Pushan, बोला था आएगा आए.
Left to right.
Thank you.
left to right, little bit. Little bit now. Little front.
Hold. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes,